2, 3, do it!
They got the tire shop right here, and they got the dyno and performance stuff over here. They got some cars over there. They got a showroom in there, all parts, tires, fittings, everything you need. Hit them up. Race fuel, chassis dyno, nitrous fill up, anything you can think of, performance parts, everything. They got them. I put all the info in the description below. Y'all can hit them up. Oh jeez, I can't pick it up with one hand. Hold on. Whoa, it almost fell. Okay, so I just got back with the nitrous bottle. Oh jeez. And okay, I can't do it one-handed. Okay, just there. I would mount the main feed line right now under the truck, but right now it's all muddy and I don't have all cement driveway, so I'm probably just gonna run the line through here, through the outside, and then connect it, and then just test the solenoids, make sure they're working, and then test the purge, see if the switch working and all that stuff. And then probably tomorrow, if it doesn't rain again, I'll route the main feed line through the bottom of the truck. I don't really want to do it right now. Alright guys, I got the bottle in there. I got the line hooked up just through here, just for now. I don't want to do all the plumbing right now. It's all muddy. So got it through here. I changed these a little bit. I had this one up front, this one on the back. You can barely see a little bit. But yeah, anyways, I moved this one a little more back next to this one because this is the nitrous, and then when I had this one up front right here, the nitrous purge tube right here was not gonna reach right under here where I'm trying to put it so the purge can go out. So I put it back over here just enough for it to reach. I'm gonna bend it, just not right now because I don't have a tube bender right now. Gotta go to Home Depot and try to find one, or somewhere else. I'm not sure where they have one. So right now I'm gonna crack the bottle open, test the nitrous solenoid, make sure it's working. Nitrous should come out of here, and then test the purge, make sure it's working. Let's see if we get power. There you go. Power. Now the purge. You should be able to hear it. I don't hear it. Should be able to hear it. I got the. You hear that? Because I'm doing it with the switch down here. You can't even see. I got the foot pedal switch right here. But the nitrous is not clicking. I think I might have disconnected when I was changing these wires. I think I might have pulled the wire out. So I'm gonna check that real quick and give you guys an update. Alright guys, so yep, I was right. I pulled the cover off to check, and then this wire was just hanging right here, and it's labeled as purge. That's why it's not working. And then this was just on the switch by itself. So I'm gonna put another one, put it back in on the switch, and then test it. Alright guys, so I got the switch back in, I got the cover back. You can see it works. You can hear it when I hit the purge. So now I'm gonna crack the bottle open and then check check if there's any leaks. Hopefully not. It's pretty tight. I hear the nitrous going through the line. I see a leak. Let's go check where the leak is at. So it's right on the perch adapter. Let me grab my flashlight. That way I can see where it's at. See where it's leaking right there. Yeah, I can kind of see. You can see right there. That's where it's leaking. I'm gonna see if I can tighten it up real quick and then test the perch. Alright guys, so I tightened that fitting up and it should be good now. Let's crack the bottle open. Just a little bit. I hear a little leak, but that's alright because I'm not done tying everything up because I don't have the sealing. Because I know you're not supposed to use tape, you're supposed to use the liquid one. So that's alright, I'm just testing it right now. Let's test the perch. There it is. I don't know if I can see it. So that's the perch right there. And then I can test it with the switch, the pedal switch. It works. But anyways, I'm actually gonna end this video right here because as you can see it's already dark. I'm trying to show y'all things, but I don't have any light, so I can't really show y'all anything. But we'll close the bottle and then empty out the nitrous. You can see. Empty out the pressure on it. And it's empty. There's the nitrous set up. Now, next video is just gonna put the line under it. Well, pretty much route it how it is, and then put the sealing on all the fittings. That way it doesn't leak. Pretty much finish everything up and then get it ready for dyno tune. That way you can make some passes on nitrous. So thank you guys for watching and see you on the next video.